and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for all your support during this period, with every video, with every comment, every like, every subscription. Everything means a lot for me, and I'm really, 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 really happy. So today I want to talk about it. I want to talk about something like it's essential, where you are going and why. Not every place is for everyone, and like I love Chicago and I won't change Chicago for any other place, but probably for you Chicago is something that it doesn't work. It's a place like you will probably hate. Who knows? I don't think like somebody can really hate Chicago, but you know, we never know, it could happen. So this is the thing. First of all, you have a plan. Whether you're going to study or just doing tourists or just like learning another language or working or everything, you have to have like a basic list of things that the place have to have. Like if you want to study English, you can't go to Miami because everybody's going to be speaking Spanish, and you're going to go to places where they have signs that says we speak English, which is really crazy because it's still United States and so many people just they don't speak the language. But anyway, this is another story. And if you're gonna go to study, I don't know, if you want to study like arts, you have to pick a place like Barcelona, which is like the capital of the arts. And or if you want to study like fashion, I will probably take New York. So I don't know, everything depends. This is kind of like example for every idea. Of course, I'm not an expert and I don't know the word, but it kind of worked that way. So the other thing is like, if you're gonna pick a place like New York, it's really, really, really expensive. Like, it's crazy expensive. There's so many people living in New York. There's so many huge companies in New York. So everything is way, way more expensive. So I will think twice before taking New York as my next destination. Because if you're gonna live by yourself, you're gonna have to pay rent, you're gonna have to pay food, you're gonna have to pay transportation, and a lot of stuff. So to be honest with you, if it's your first time living outside your country and living by yourself, I won't go to a place like New York. And in a place like Chicago, as you can see, I have a sweater, I have a scarf, and I'm inside of my house. And it's just fall. Why? Well, this is really, really cool. Like, this city gets freaking cold. Like, everything gets frozen. We had a snow on Friday. Today is Monday, and it's just October. It's just the beginning of October. So imagine that. So if you don't really like the weather, if you are not used to it, and you're not able to get used to it, then don't come here because you're gonna have a hard time. And you know, so this is the kind of the things you have to think about it. Like the opportunities you get there, you have there, the money you're gonna spend every month. So make a really, really good research about how much is the rent, how much is the food, how much is the transportation, everything. How's the weather? That's very important. Like if you don't like the rain, sorry, for example, you can't go to Dublin because it's raining all day long during the whole year. And if you don't like it, then what are you gonna do there? You're gonna be like miserable. So what else? Oh, something really, really important is if you have family or friends there. It's not because you're gonna live with them, but you kind of like, you know, you can count on somebody if something happens. I don't want to be dramatic. Like, nothing have happened to me during these almost 2 years, thanks goodness. But I have friends here and they are now like my family. So if you have somebody there who is local or who has been living there for so long, that is a plus. Because when you have a bad day, you're gonna need somebody. And they actually gonna help you to make friends, new friends, because they're gonna take you out, etc. So there you have it. If you have friends or family, how the weather looks like, how much money you're gonna need per month, and this is basically the three basis thing. But also, you know, like, how is the transportation? Like in a city like LA, you're gonna need a car. And if you don't have money for a car, then you can't go there because then you're gonna be stuck at your house, and how are you gonna move around? If you want to take the bike everywhere, you have to go to a city which is bike friendly or friendly bike. I don't remember how to say it. But these kind of things is the things you have to think about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.